Found a DLZ file from the Webshots era and wondering if those wallpaper collections are still accessible? This is a compressed image collection from a popular desktop personalization service. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access these archived photos. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single DLZ file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. A DLZ file is a compressed archive created by Webshots Desktop, a once popular wallpaper and screensaver application. It bundles multiple images, often themed, into a single package for easy download and management. Users typically want to open these files to extract the original JPG images for use as modern desktop backgrounds. The DLZ format is a proprietary binary archive, likely using a zip-based or custom compression algorithm. It was designed to package multiple image assets and metadata efficiently, protecting the collection's integrity and simplifying distribution through the Webshots platform. The structure is not openly documented, requiring specific tools for extraction. Technically, the best program for DLZ is usually Webshots Desktop from Webshots. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows can see the archive but may not extract it, so dedicated tools are needed. Open the context menu by right-clicking your DLZ file and choosing Open With. Try Webshots Desktop first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If your DLZ file still refuses to open, stay calm. The DLZ file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, opening in Webshots. Install the legacy Webshots desktop application, if available from archive sources, and use File then Open Collection to load the DLZ file. The application extracts and displays photos in the collection viewer, ready for desktop wallpaper rotation or screensaver use. Next, extracting with archivers. Try opening the DLZ file with 7-zip or WinRAR, which may recognize the underlying compression format. Right-click the file and select Open With to browse archive contents and extract individual JPEG images to a standard folder for general use. Finally, renaming for access. If archive tools fail to recognize the DLZ extension, copy the file with a zip extension and attempt extraction. Some Webshots collections use standard zip compression, with a custom extension allowing extraction by renaming for compatibility with modern archive utilities. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.